In this video, we will focus on how to competitively price dropshipping products when auto pricing tools are not available. The first step is to compare your products with those on other e-commerce platforms. For example, you might notice that a product you purchased for $6 is being sold to customers for $57. It is important to compare this with similar products on platforms like Amazon to evaluate how much profit you can realistically earn. Next, by checking your inbox or product management section, you can see the options to adjust your pricing. You can compare the same product across different platforms to determine the best-selling price. For instance, if the platform suggests $9 for comparison, you might find that your product's real income, or RIC, is only $0.92. By adjusting the price to $50, the profit per product can increase significantly, potentially reaching $300 in total. These comparisons are essential for identifying which products are worth promoting. After selecting the most profitable items, you can upload them to the platform where you want to grow your business and reach your target customers. Properly comparing prices and strategically setting your product prices ensures competitive advantage and maximizes profits without relying on automatic pricing tools. Spocket helps you build your dropshipping store in just 5 minutes with AI. Access high-quality products with super fast shipping from premium US and EU suppliers. Start your free 14-day trial at YB.Digital/drop and revolutionize your e-commerce success today.